Have you ever been locked out of your Chime account, staring at that incorrect password message and feeling a mix of frustration and panic? It happens to the best of us. Whether you've forgotten your password completely or you just want to update it for better security, knowing how to reset it is essential. You're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the super simple steps to get back into your account in no time. No need to call customer service or go on a wild goose chase. You can do this right from your phone or computer. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Chime app on your smartphone. Now, instead of trying to log in, look for this trouble logging in or forgot password option on the login screen. It's usually right below the password field. Tap on that. Next, Chime will ask you to verify your identity. This is a crucial step to keep your account safe. You'll need to enter either your social security number or your date of birth, depending on what the app prompts you for. Make sure the information you enter is exactly what you used when you created your account. Once you've entered the correct details, Chime will send a verification code to the phone number or email address associated with your account. Check your messages or your inbox and enter that code into the app. This is the final step to prove it's really you. After you've successfully entered the code, you'll be taken to a screen where you can create a new password. Make it a strong one. A good password is a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using obvious things like your birthday or password 122. Once you've typed in your new, secure password, you'll be asked to confirm it one more time. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Chime password and can now log back into your account with full access. See? I told you it was simple. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.